What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video which is not for a technical product at all. This is for my newly built kitchen which I built myself. Now kitchen itself is from Wren Kitchen UK, sage green and shaker style. Fantastic kitchen, to be honest with you, and Wren has been fantastic from start to the end, and the worktop is from Al-Murad Leeds. Well, they supply to all the UK, and the worktop you see here, the color and the product is called, the Quartz itself called the Calcutta Imperial. Fantastic, to be honest with you. But it's not about showing you how fantastic it is. First, to show you that how a Calcutta Imperial looks like. So if somebody is looking for it or want to see exactly how I look like, here is a video for that. To be honest with you, you can see that. But the other part of this video is very important one, just to show you the quality which has been provided by Al-Murad. The biggest problem you can see right in here in front of you. Here's a hob which is 800 wide, and a splashback on the back is a 900. Now can you see that? It's not even in the center of it. That's the biggest blunder, you can see that. Now this is a mistake by the template guy who templated it. Well, that's the mistake, and they accepted it. Now they accepted it, there's a mistake from them. Okay, so they're going to fix it for sure. That's what I know, that for sure. They're going to fix it. That's fine. Okay, but to be honest with you, they should not have installed it. Now amount of hassle to take it down and fixing it is too much. But there's another thing which I have got a problem with Al-Murad. I asked them to put a groove on where we have this wash basin. The purpose of groove will be right in here. We're going to put a groove here. Asked them to put a groove here, right here. It was, the reason was so the water, in case you're cleaning the water, cleaning the dishes, comes here. When you don't have groove, the water usually seep back into the base unit, which you don't want, because we're going to rot the wood. Now with the groove, water will fall down on the floor, and that's it, you're saved. That's what you wanted. They agreed with me and everything, all agreed. I got confirmation of emails and everything about them, but when they came to install it, there was nothing. Or there was a lot of aji-baji going on between me and him. Eventually they agreed to it, they're going to do it, but they wanted to take everything apart actually from here. That's like a lot of hassle. And it's their responsibility to fix everything, not my problem. I paid for this, so you guys got to fix it. Simple as that. Now, point is, amount of hassle I had it, I just said, fine, no problem whatsoever. That's it. My review for you guys is 0. And I would personally not recommend your company. I recommend this Quartz to everyone, but not your company. I personally should have gone with the Wren Kitchen. They should have provided the cords and everything. I know it would have been expensive, but £500, £600 extra, that's fine. But amount of hassle which I had and emails I had with Al-Murad, at least that would have been nothing. You know, the reason is you spend money to have less tensions, not have more tensions. And look at this blunder. You have to see it every time, you know, this offset. And obviously you don't want these kind of issues, to be honest with you. And that's it, guys. So I wanted to show you this. So please expect these kind of things. If you're dealing with a company like Al-Murad, you might going to see more blunders. I'm sure there will be a lot of customers. You know, when I checked their reviews, they all were happy chappy type of customers. I said, can't be possible. They obey. There will be some customer. I'm sure they obey. I'm sure they obey. You know, or if there's none, I'm happy for others as well. So they got a good quality out of them. But I did not, for sure. So that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video would have been informative. But if you got any questions about this kitchen in this color and everything, let me know. See you then, guys. Bye for now.